Down at Brewer's Cave, Bruce Vento Nature Sanctuary. Decided, since they cleaned up the park a bit, to do a little creek walk. That is a creek right there. Just a lot of plant growing in it. But it's just over ankle deep in most spots, so I don't want to step on that. Trying to watch my phone a little bit, but also not step in the water at the same time. Some of the bluff side. It's kind of neat how it changes from a solid rock to all of a sudden it's just these little flat slabs. Oh, that rock was tippy. Oh, a little tight against this tree. Go to the other side. Now we'll go back. Could have went up over the bridge, but I make life difficult. Dang noisy train again. So the water coming this way comes out of Brewer's Cave and flows into there, and that pond does have a culvert over there that connects it to the pond we seen in a previous video over there. And then the water coming from this way is all coming out of Carver's Cave Walking Teepee. I was about to jump down that way, but it's kind of all flooded out unless I walk along the wall, but shit's been falling there, so I'll wait a while to walk along the wall because that's still pretty fresh. Ooh, these are moss-covered rocks. They're soft. I can jump to that rock, but I can't jump to that rock, and that is water in there. So we gotta go this way. Now I should correct myself a little bit. I forget the name of it, but where all this greenery grows here There is another cave in there. I've found what I believe is where the entrance would be if you were to be able to get down farther, but it's filled in and the water comes out of the ground and into this creek. That's why there's so much greenery that grows in here, because there's fresh water coming out right there. And it's being filtered as it comes out because it's going through the sand over there. I forget the name of it, but there used to be another cave down here, but they've lost track of it. But my belief is that right at this dark spot in the rock right there, if you were to dig down there, I think you would eventually find the entrance. When you go over there and look at the ground, there's a depression there, not only from the sides, but the sand sinks down towards the rock, where it should be filling up with sand from coming down from the bluff, but it's not shaped like that. It's shaped like the sand is sinking in against that wall and going somewhere. That's why I believe that's where the other cave that used to be down here is lost to, is down there. I left the creek side because I didn't want to walk through those pokey trees. They had a lot of little pokey branches, and if I look at my phone, I'll poke myself in the face. I'll come back in here. I didn't want to get poked by all the branches of those little trees there. If there were bigger trees with bigger branches, the little itty bitty branches I don't notice when I'm looking at my phone. Hope y'all can hear me. I forget where the heck the thing is on this phone that picks up the sound is that, and I don't know how well the phone actually picks up sound when I move it away from my face in the first place. I haven't really been paying attention to that. Well, now we've taken our creek walk to the sandcastle. I'm not walking over there because I don't know what spots in that grass suddenly sink down and are mushy. This is where this creek begins, and this pond fills from Walking Teepee Carver's Cave right over there, which I've shown you a few times before, at least the entrance. Until next time.